Good morning, students. Today we will discuss some important questions of chapter number 5, complex number of class plus 1. In these questions, the first statement is x plus iota y whole cube is equal to u plus iota v. Then prove that u upon x plus v upon y equal to 4x square means y square. For this, we take x plus iota y whole cube equal to u plus iota v. In this, we use identity a plus b whole cube, which is equal to a cube plus b cube, 3a square b, 3ab the whole square. This is x cube iota cube y cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab the whole square, u plus iota b. This is x cube is iota square into iota, then x square iota y, this x square iota square y square. As we know, iota square is equal to means 1. Put value of iota square means 1, 3x square iota y, 3xy square. Take real part x cube 3xy square and imaginary part 3x square y whole cube, u plus iota v. Compare real and imaginary part. In left hand side the real part is, and in right hand side u. In left hand side the imaginary part is, and in right hand side imaginary part is v. As we know, the left hand side is u upon x plus v upon y. Take x common, x square means 3y square upon x. In this, take y common, 3x square means y square upon y. This cancel out. X square plus 3x square becomes 4x square, 4y square. Take 4 common, then we get right hand side. The second question is, solve the quadratic equation 3x square means 4x plus 20 upon 3 equal to 0. Multiply this equation by 3, 12x plus 20 equal to 0. Compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is 9, b is means 12, c is equal to 20. First we find discriminant. B square means 4ac, b square is 12 whole square, a is 9, c is 20. 12 square is 144, this becomes 720, this is 576. In this, d is less than 0, so the roots are imaginary. The roots of this quadratic equation is means b plus means under root d upon 2a plus means 576 divided by a is 9. 12 plus means this becomes means 1 into 576 upon 18. 12 plus means 1 is iota square upon 18. This becomes 12. 576 root is 24 iota by 18. Take 6 common. 2 plus means 4 iota upon 18. This becomes 2 plus means 4 iota upon 3. These are the roots of this quadratic equation. In question number 3, the statement is x means iota y equal to a means iota b upon c means iota d. First, squaring both sides. X means iota y whole square. In this, the square is a means iota b, c means iota d. In this, identity is a means b whole square. a square b square means 2ab. In this a means beta b, c means beta d. Rationalize this equation c plus beta d, c plus beta d. In this x square, beta square is means 1, 2xy beta. Multiply this a into c plus beta ad means beta bc means beta square bd. In the denominator, identity is a means b, a plus b, which becomes a square means b square. This equation x square means y square, 2xy beta. In this ac, this becomes means 1, that is plus bd, which is the real part, beta ad means bc. In denominator, c square plus d square. Take real part of this equation ac plus bd upon c square plus d square. Imaginary part is ad means bc upon c square plus d square. Compare real and imaginary part. Real and imaginary part. In this equation, a real part is ac plus bd upon c square plus d square. This is equation 1, and imaginary part is means 2xy, ad means bc upon c square plus d square. This is equation number 2. In the left hand side of the question, squaring equation 1 and 2 and then add. X square means y square whole square. Square is 4x square y square. In this ac plus bd whole square divided by c square plus d square whole square. In this ad means bc whole square divided by c square plus d square whole square. This is x4 plus y4 means 2x square y square plus 4x square y square. In this a square c square b square d square plus 2abcd. In this a square d square b square c square means 2abcd. This becomes c square plus d square whole square. In this cancel out. This is the identity x4 y4 plus 2x square y square. In this take c square common, then equation is a square plus b square. Take d square common, then the equation is b square plus a square divided by c square plus d square whole square. In this is the identity x square plus y square. This is the identity of x square plus y square whole square, and a square b square is common. A square plus b square, this cancel out and we get right hand side, which is this. The question number 4th is, solution of 4th is, the equation is 27x square means 10x plus 1 equal to 0. Compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. In this a is 27, b is means 10, c is 1. The discriminant d is b square means 4ac. b square is 10 whole square, 4a is 27 and 1. This becomes 100 means 108 means 8, which is less than equal to 0. That is, the roots are imaginary. In this equation, the roots are plus means d upon 2a, means b is 10 plus means d is means 8, 2a is 27, 10 plus means this becomes beta square into 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 54. 10 plus means take 2 under root 2 beta by 54. Take 2 common, then this equation 5 plus means under root 2 beta by 54. This cancel out. The roots of the equations are plus means 2 beta by 27. These are the imaginary roots of this equation. In question number 5th, the statement is y to the power 18 plus 1 by y to the power 25 whole cube. In this question we write y square whole power 9. 25 is y square the power 12 into y whole cube. In this y square is means 1, y square is means 1. The equation becomes this means 1 plus this becomes 1 by y whole cube. Take identity a cube plus b cube plus 3 a square b plus 3a b whole square. This becomes means 1 by y cube plus 3 by y means 3 by y square means 1. This becomes y square into y 3 by y square is means 1 means 1 y square is means 1 plus 3 by y plus 3 means 1 plus 3 is 2. This becomes 1 by y plus 3 by y. This is 2 by y. Multiply and divide this by y. We get 2 y by y square. Then y square is means 1. The answer is 2 means 2 y. In this 2, 1 means y. This is the solution of question number 5th. In question number 6th, the statement is 21x square means 28x plus 10 equal to 0. Compare this with ax square bx plus c equal to 0. Then a is 21, b is means 28, c is 10. Discriminant d is b square means 4ac, b square is 28 whole square 4 a into c whole square is 784. This becomes 840 means 56. This is less than 0, that is roots are imaginary, which are under root d upon 2a. b is 28 plus means 56 upon 2 into 21. 28 plus means this becomes y square into 2 into 2 4 4 to the 8 8 7 the 56. This becomes 42 plus means take 2 common under root 14 y by 42. 2 common आ गए plus means under root 14 y divided by 21. This is the solution of this question. The question number 7th is a plus y b equal to x plus y whole square divided by 2x square plus 1. First of all, open this identity a square b square plus 2ab 2x square plus 1. Then a plus y b x square square is means 1 2x square plus 1 2x y upon 2x square plus 1. Compare real and imaginary part. Real part is a becomes equal to 2x square plus 1. This is equation 1. Imaginary part is b, which is equal to 2x upon 2x square plus 1. This is equation number 2nd. In left hand side of the question, a square plus b square, value of a square is whole square 2x square plus 1 whole square. b is 2x whole square 2x square plus 1 whole square. Open this identity x4 plus 1 2x square plus 4x square. Then 2x square plus 1 whole square. This becomes x4 plus 1 plus 2x square divided by 2x square plus 1 whole square. This is the identity of x square plus 1 whole square divided by 2x square plus 1 whole square. This is the right hand side of the given question. That's it.